Yo, yo, yo. Listen, getting out the door for work is hard. And getting a relatively decent breakfast, even harder. Now, though there is the miracle of overnight oats, sometimes we just want something hot and not sweet. So, as usual, MRK has got you covered. Welcome to Mama Reubo's kitchen. Three words: egg, scrambler, cups. This is the answer to your mildly decent hot breakfast. I mean, they're simple, they're customizable, they're microwavable, and if you use paper soup cups, they're disposable. I mean, can't get any better than that. So let's get started. Like the overnight oats, this is an excellent time for mason jars. Now you just want to make sure you get ones that are big enough. You'll find out later why. So we're gonna start by whisking 2 eggs with 2 tablespoons of either milk or water. All right, now to make this completely transportable, we have plastic cups. So the plastic cup is about 5.5 ounces, which fits the eggs mixture perfectly. You just wanna make sure it has a lid and then pop the lid on top. Now for the mix-ins. So what you can do is you can use anything that you like. I'm keeping it simple with just some bacon and some cheddar, but you can definitely change up the cheeses, change up the meats, use some sausage, some chicken, some ham. You can throw in some vegetables like sauteed mushrooms or onions, tomatoes, spinach, whatever you like in your scrambled eggs, you can definitely add them here. And we're just putting everything in a small Ziploc bag, so that way, again, it can be completely transportable. And then what you wanna do is you just wanna kinda get as much air as you can out, because you're just gonna kinda get this folded up, and then this is gonna go in the bottom of the mason jar, and then you're going to put the egg mixture on top, and then seal it all up. All right, so to cook, now what you wanna do is just remove all the ingredients, and then you're gonna pour the egg mixture into the jar, and you're gonna microwave this for anywhere between 45 to 60 seconds, depending on, you know, how strong or whatever your microwave is, however that works. And then you're gonna take that out, and then you're gonna stir in your mix-ins, and then you're gonna microwave it for an additional 30 to 45 seconds, again, depending on your microwave. And then you remove and enjoy. And there you have egg scrambler cups for a hot and quick breakfast. Deliciousness in a cup.